Hi, I'm Ben O'Reilly from Wood Finishes Direct, and in this video I'm going to be demonstrating my favourite way to apply the Man's Premier UV decking oil. Unsure if it's the man's for the job? Well, don't worry. Check out our before you buy video if you haven't already now. Like every superhero has a sidekick, the Man's Premier UV decking oil has the Man's 147 decking brush. Its long bristles are great for getting in the grooves on decking boards. As well, it's definitely wide enough to finish any decking board size. It's my favourite because it's just simple. As well, it can take an extension pole, meaning it saves your back during application. So, we've done our test area. We've made sure we've chosen the right colour. I've gone for the dark oak because it shows the most effect on film. And now we're ready to apply. Start by stirring the tin and decanting a little bit into a paint tray. Now you're ready for the fun part. Simply load the brush and dab off all excess, then apply thinly and evenly, working with the boards and in long, even strokes. I like to go one board at a time. Remember to include the sides and edges for maximum protection. Once applied, remove the surplus with a microfiber cloth and leave to dry for around 12 hours. Application really is that simple. So you've applied your first coat, now all you have to do is apply your second final coat, wipe off any excess and then leave it to dry. Nice and easy. So this is the mock deck that I made up for this video, finished with 2 coats of the dark oak, and I'm sure you'll agree, it looks stunning. Let us know what you think in the comments below. If you need any further technical advice or information about your project, why don't you give us a call or email and put us to the test? We are the experts after all. A full list of all the products featured in today's video will be in the description on YouTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe for all future content. And as always do a test area.